Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free harness certified continuous delivery and GitOps developer exam. So get certified by harness. So get certified by harness at zero cost and boost your DevOps career. This certification is designed for the developer, DevOps engineer, and cloud professional who wants to master continuous delivery, that is CD and GitOps using harness. What you will learn in this tutorial: introduction to harness and GitOps, setting up the continuous delivery pipeline, deployment with the real world example, tips to pass the harness certified CD and GitOps developer exam, hands-on practice for beginner to advanced. So why take this exam? 100% free, save your amount, and industry recognized certification, boost your resume and career growth, step by step guidance provided. So this is the registration link. We'll follow the registration link. Open this URL. So this is the HANA Certified Continuous Delivery and GitOps Operation Certification Exam. Developer exam are free of charge, and this will be the logo. So about the course, this course is intended to harness practitioner. The certification lets you demonstrate your knowledge of basic harness continuous delivery concept before the exam. Pass review the study guide located in harness developer hub. You have to complete this one. This exam contains two parts. First is the 63 question knowledge exam, and post is the exam survey. So at Harness, we are committed to providing you the best certification experience possible. After completing your Harness certification exam, we will kindly request you to take a brief after exam survey. Your feedback is invaluable to us because it helps us continuously improve our certification process and ensure it meets your need. After passing the exam, you will be receive the digital badge that you can share on the social media. If you have any question about your certification, please get in the touch with the there is a email address. Now we'll go with the, you already registered, then you can go for the sign up. Otherwise, just click on the register for free. We'll go for the sign up. Put your name, work email address, password, and company name, job title. Click on the sign up. Okay, we are already registered. I'm already registered with this. I'm going to the sign in. So click on the sign in. This is my account and certification exam, and we have 0 1 lesson is completed. You can start this. Go to the hub. Okay. Then we'll just start with the, and one more thing, you have 5 retake. 4 candidates that failed, you have a 5 retakes. So within 5 retakes you have to pass this exam. So click on the start exam. It will check the computer and connectivity check. socket pass, ping pass, download pass, and upload also pass, and cookies pass, and browser pass. Click on the proceed. There is a certification agreement is there. So term and condition, terms and termination. So agree with the term and condition. I'll get the 61 question, time limited 1 hour 30 minutes, and now here I am ready to begin. So if you click this one, it will start the exam. So in this video we have learned how to get 100% free harness certified continuous delivery and GitOps developer exam, and this is provided by the harness, and there is 100% free of this. So share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues and help them to get certified too. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for the more free certification tutorials and learning content. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.